In WhatsApp now there is a new AI feature called Meta AI. Normally what most people used to do is that they will chat with Meta AI. If they are having any doubt, they will ask Meta AI, and if they want to create any images, they will ask Meta AI. But what many people don't know is that if you want, you can use Meta AI in groups and chats. In this video, we'll be telling about how to use Meta AI in groups and chats in WhatsApp. For this, open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select any group or chat. For example, I am selecting this chat. After that, if you want to add Meta AI to this chat, what you need to do is click on this message option. After that, type @ When you are typing @ above, you can see Meta AI option. Click on Meta AI. After that, whatever you are typing will be sent to Meta AI, and that result will be sent to that person. For example, I am typing one question. After that, I am sending this. Now, here you can see Meta AI answer. The opposite person in this chat will also receive that answer. Likewise, if you want to create image using Meta AI and send to them, you can do that also. For that, what you need to do is, like before, type @ When you are typing @ you can see Meta AI option. Click on Meta AI. Now here what you need to do is, click on this slash button. When you are clicking on that, you can see imagine option. Click on imagine. After that, type the prompt for image generation. For example, I am typing this prompt. After that, I am sending this message. When you are sending that message, Meta AI will generate one image. Now here you can see one new image is created. The opposite person in this chat will also receive this image. And to generate image, you don't need to enter this imagine option. If you want, after typing @ and selecting Meta AI, you can just type create image or generate image. AI will understand that also. After typing create image or generate image, type the prompt. For example, I am typing create image and typing one prompt. After that, I am sending this. Now also this AI has generated one image. So without typing imagine also, you can generate image. Anyways, this way you can use Meta AI in WhatsApp group or chats. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.